AI is changing everything. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius to make money with it. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 unexpected ways you can start making money using AI, even if you've never coded a line in your life. First, AI art. You can use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo to generate wild digital art just by typing a few words, like robot in a jungle at sunset. Boom, done. Then upload that to Redbubble to sell on t-shirts. I've seen people make up to $100 this way without ever drawing anything. Number 2, AI microcontent. Use tools like Descript or OpusClip to break down long videos into short clips. Add captions automatically, music, everything. People are using this to run faceless Instagram or TikTok pages and making money through affiliate links or sponsorships. This one's clever. Use ChatGPT to create personalized learning plans. Let's say someone wants to learn coding in 30 days. You just ask GPT to make the plan and package it into a simple PDF. Then sell it on Gumroad. I've seen people make over $1,000 with just a few listings. If you're into dropshipping, AI tools can be your secret weapon. Use different tools or even use ChatGPT to find trending products, like eco-gadgets or pet gear. It takes the guesswork out. One seller I read about made $5,000 in a single month just following AI product suggestions. And finally, voiceovers. Tools like ElevenLabs can create super realistic voices. You can offer podcast intros, YouTube voiceovers, audiobooks, you name it. Just upload the script and send the file. People charge $50 to $100 per gig on Fiverr by doing this. So those are 5 unexpected ways to use AI and actually make money. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.